In a world that is becoming increasingly urbanized, incorporating native plants into our landscapes can bring an essential touch of nature back into our lives. Native plants are species that naturally occur in a specific region and have evolved to thrive in the local environment. Not only do they add beauty to our landscapes, but they also offer numerous ecological benefits and support local wildlife. This video explores the captivating allure of native plants and the advantages of incorporating them into your landscape design. 1. Celebrating biodiversity. Native plants are an integral part of the natural ecosystem, and their presence promotes biodiversity in our surroundings. By using native species in our landscapes, we create a haven for local wildlife, including birds, butterflies, bees, and other beneficial insects. The intricate relationships between native plants and the local fauna enrich the environment and create a vibrant, dynamic ecosystem. 2. Adaptation to local climate. One of the remarkable features of native plants is their ability to adapt to the local climate and soil conditions. Being well suited to the region's weather patterns, they require minimal maintenance and watering once established. This adaptability reduces the need for artificial irrigation and chemical inputs, contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly landscape. 3. Captivating beauty. Native plants offer a captivating beauty that complements the natural landscape seamlessly. From delicate wildflowers to majestic trees, these species display unique colors, shapes, and textures. Whether in a formal garden or a more naturalistic setting, native plants add a touch of authenticity and charm, creating an enchanting and inviting atmosphere. 4. Supporting ecosystem services. Incorporating native plants into your landscape design contributes to the provision of essential ecosystem services. Their deep-rooted systems help prevent erosion and improve soil health, while their dense foliage provides shade and reduces heat island effects in urban areas. Native plants also play a crucial role in filtering rainwater and improving water quality, benefiting both the environment and human communities. 5. Low-maintenance landscaping. Native plants are well adapted to their local environment, making them naturally resilient and less susceptible to diseases and pests. As a result, they require less maintenance compared to non-native or exotic species. By using native plants in your landscape, you can spend more time enjoying your garden and less time on labor-intensive tasks. 6. Cultural and historical significance. Native plants hold cultural and historical significance for Indigenous communities and can help reconnect us to the land's heritage. Embracing these plants in our landscapes acknowledges their value and pays homage to the traditions and wisdom of the past. 7. Contributing to conservation efforts. By incorporating native plants into our landscapes, we actively participate in conservation efforts. Many native plant species are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss and urbanization. Planting native species in our gardens helps preserve these plants and contributes to their continued survival. Native plants embody the essence of the land they call home, offering a unique and captivating beauty that complements any landscape. Their ability to thrive in local climates, support wildlife, and provide essential ecosystem services makes them a valuable addition to any garden. By embracing native plants in our landscapes, we not only create aesthetically pleasing spaces, but also contribute to the conservation of our natural heritage. Let us celebrate the beauty and benefits of native plants and embark on a journey to create more sustainable, vibrant, and ecologically harmonious landscapes.